Hey. Whoa, super bright, super bright. Welcome back to the vlogs. I don't have my companion Gina here to sing it with me, but it's a lot of crap, a lot of background noise right now. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. It's a farm vlog today. I'm just gonna, I think, take you guys through like the evening routine, the dinner routine for the horses, and we're just gonna go around and say hi. We're just gonna gab and I don't know. I'm the only one here right now. Gina's not here. Cheryl and Bob left. My sister and her family are gone. I'm just a guy on a farm, just a little girl on 100 acres. So let's see what we can go get into, I guess. I don't know. Come on. Gotta open up the stalls for the little rats to come in and eat their victuals. We just have 2 horses right now, just 2 horsies, and we have a pony, but he is too fat to continue eating. He doesn't get any grain because he's obese, but he still comes in and he likes to try. This is my little hay room, like my little, I call it the tack room. There is 2 saddles in here, so technically this is where I keep all the horse feed. And I just come in here and fill up my little horse bowl. This is Texie Wexie's food. Tex is my horse. He's a crazy boy. He has a lot of trauma. They were like, oh, he's the best. He's a dream horse. And he gets here and like, I mean, I'll show you, but you go to like touch him and he jumps. He's so jumpy, he's so skittish. But when he has a halter on, he's perfect. So you just gotta catch him and halter him and then he's fine. Oh. This is Shiner's food and he is 30 years old. Pretty useless, but he's really cute, really food aggressive. He gives us a lot of laughs because he's just like so old and he's like so like rude. He has no boundaries and Texie has a lot. Shiner gets a lot of food because he, you know, his bones are freaking deteriorated. He has really bad arthritis in his knees. He's kind of got a funky little walk to him. He gets a bunch of like fatty supplements to keep him moving. There's a fat oil in here that I gotta like toss around. And I have to put some hot water in this so it'll soak so he can eat it better. Hang on. We're gonna put these in their stalls. They do have like assigned stalls and they know what stalls to go into, which I think is pretty clever. Pretty clever boys. I kind of think that all horses do that though. I don't think mine are special. And they'll wait for me at this gate to come get them. Gentlemen, what do you have in your mouth? What do you have? Taxi, come on. Shiner. About near knocked you guys over. This is Banjo. He's rocking out. Hello, good boy. You are dirty. You're dropping all your food. Banjo, stop it. And then while they're eating, I'll usually go and just like check on everybody else and see what the goats are up to. And we can try and go see the cows. They keep trying to ram me. What are you doing? You're causing a ruckus. Banjo. All right, let's go. The goats, look at the goats running. This is Brown. She's a really old donkey. She's an old girl, but she's a good girl. This is Tanner coming up. Come here. He's a baby boy. He's probably like 2, but everyone else is like 4 or 5 and then like in their 20s. Brown is in her 20s. My goats are a year old. All they want is treats. They think I have cookies. You have a boogery eye. You got bad eyes. You're in there. Malcolm's trying to hump everybody and he keeps sticking his tongue out. Jeez, you're very crusty. I think he has pink eye. We gotta get the depuffer. We had this puffer thing you spray in their eye and it gets rid of pink eye. I'm so proud of little baby Tate. She's out there trying to make friends with the older gentleman. She's making friends. Malcolm's just terrorizing everybody. Look at, they're running away from him. He does this weird thing with his tongue and he makes this weird noise. I mean, he's just like mating, I guess. I don't know. He's like panting. It's really creepy. Close your mouth. See? He's being weird. He does like nibbles and then he humps. We've got a taker coming up for provisions. I'm gonna turn the water on and fill up that trough, so just hang out with her for a second. Ronald. Ronnie, baby. How's my little deal? Ah! Their tongues are like sandpaper. You sniffing? You're so red. Look at your fur. You're so red. Rhonda baby. Chloe's doing some rubbing. Looks like Winnie's caught the provisions train. Cows are funny because like you feel like they do a lot all day and they don't do anything. Like they seem like they're really in charge and they just don't. They don't really have much of a function as a pet. Chloe's always watching us. This is Winnie. Little baby Winnie. Winnie and Ronnie actually came together as a pair. They used to be best friends, but now Winnie is dating Pepe and I don't think Ronnie likes it that much. Pepe is the big spotted one over there. And then I think Chloe and Clem are paired up, but sometimes Clem hangs out with Sasha. I don't really know their gossip. Excuse you, honey. They really like this branch, so we leave it. And they'll go under it and scratch their backs too. Take this hose into the horse department. Banjo rocking out. He's got crazy eyes and rock star hair. I'm gonna let the horses out. Texie runs pretty fast because he gets scared, so. Are you all done? Are you mad at me? Oh. That was a calm one. Very calm. Shiner, doozer. Real slow moving that one. Sometimes we'll let them stay in here and like, they like to go in and out of the stalls picking up scraps. Especially if it's cold or rainy, we'll just kind of like leave this open that they can come hang out in here, but it's like 65 degrees out right now. How about now? Gotta get them out of here. Come on. There you go. You're going the wrong way. Banjo, no. I can show you the chickens. You wanna see my truck? I got a truck. Okay. I can show you my pond too. Come on. Chickens. Gene's our rooster and he is not very friendly. Chicken heads. I don't know why some of them had these like reflectors on. Kind of seems like a hawk will be able to just kind of grab him easier. Like, look at that one. He looks like a little construction worker. Gene tries to attack. Gene, don't. Gene! Ah! Gene! Don't! He's so scary. For me, don't! Gene, you have to dominate him or he'll think he can run you forever. You are not the master, I am. He's just protecting his women, which is cool, but they can really like kill you, I think, with their legs and their feet. Look at those talons. Go back. Okay. Gene. I don't want the smoke, Gene. I have to get over. I have to wield a weapon. Gene! I'm literally in the woods. He has me backed into a corner. Back. Back. Get back. He's gonna fucking kill me! I don't want to play anymore. You win this round. The chickens have been laying their eggs in the hay bale. Okay, cool. He's running back. Chickens come up here and they come in here and they've made these little homes. You see the little eggs in there? And there's one in here too. Look at all the eggies. They obviously like have where they can lay eggs in there, but my sister couldn't find eggs for like 2 days and she's like, where are all the eggs? And then we found the eggs. This is my Airstream that I had like the engine and all the insides of it redone. So it's a 1985, but it runs like it was made today. So she's not actually on the road, but she could be if we wanted her to be. I think I'm gonna take you to the back 40 and show you my big field, maybe my trails. Oh, this is my truck. It's pretty funny to have 2 cars. My first car ever was a Geo Tracker and there was holes in the floor. It's just really funny, you know, where you end up. Never thought I'd be here. All right, let's go. This is a big plot of land that I cleared for my sister to build a house on. It hasn't happened yet, but it's in the works. These are my tractor attachments. It seems wrong to have them just laying out here. Coyotes like to play on this land. I think these are all coyote houses, actually. Look at my boyfriend was here last week, and he said that they're probably all sleeping in all these trees that got cut down. Onward. Oh. So this is a trail. We've got lots of trails back here. Trails. God, I'm just like so alone right now, you know? It's confusing me. I gotta get Tex back here. He would hate it. If you turn your head this way, this is the trail I'm gonna go down, and it takes you to like our back 40, the big back field. All these trees are on the ground because I had a bunch of trees cleared And when they come take trees, they don't clean up. So anything that falls, they just leave. But it'll still like bloom and stuff. But look at how pretty, like if the water were to come through here, we've got the back 40. Look at all of that. I'll take you to the pond first. Look at how pretty that looks. The clouds are crazy. This is my little baby tiny pond that's all like green and brown and gross. Hope is that one day cows can come and put their bodies in it. This used to be all trees and I cleared it all so we could fence it and maybe do cows back here, like beef cattle. It's very peaceful out here. I gotta do this more often. It's getting rather dark out. A bunch of critters making noises over there. It's kind of giving storm. It's gonna storm. I think I'll head back to the front. I'll show you the second pond because that one's really pretty. Come on. This pond is a lot more clear. You can actually swim in it. Hi, Chloe. Look at Chloe. Always watching. Cows just have a really peaceful life, you know. Chloe is the sweetest and she's the least likely to ram you with her horns. See that? What the heck? Pretty girl wants to go swimming. Hi, Winnie. This is a zip line that goes across my pond that you could use if you wanted. 9-pound bass in this pond here. Locking the chickens up so they don't get eaten on my watch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boo-boos! Normally the goats will like put themselves to bed every night. This is, this is their house. My little baby girl is all the way down there and I have to go get her. Tate, you brave little girl. What are you doing? Baby Tate. Hoping that she's just gonna kind of follow me. Come on, y'all. Keep moving. Come on. Okay. Okay, good night. Good night, boo-boos. They all sleep together. Everybody up. I guess I'll end the vlog. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye. See ya.